So, first of all, let me give my introduction and then we'll start taking your introduction. And if you have any question regarding the training or you want to ask anything, whatever your doubts regarding the training or regarding the course content, if you have, you can please ask. Myself, Ankit Narula, I have total 10 years of experience in IT industry. Out of those 10 years of experience, in first 3 years, I have worked in Oracle applications as a techno-functional consultant. And from last 7 years, I'm working on a cloud platform, and the two most cloud platform which we have it in market, AWS and Azure. In these two cloud platforms, I'm working from last 7 years. This is about my side. Now, if anyone wants to ask anything regarding the training, if you have any question, you can please raise your hand. If anyone wants to ask any question. Yes, Dev. Dev, you have already unmuted yourself. Dev, are you able to hear me? Looks like, Dev, you have some issue with your mic. Please resolve that issue and then you can raise your hand. Yes, Rajan, you can unmute. Rajan, you have already unmuted yourself. Rajan, are you able to hear me? Anjali, you can unmute. Anjali, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, Anjali.
So, what we think learn in these sessions and what are the benefits of this at the last? What we get from these sessions? Means I don't have any idea about the cloud and all.
Okay,
So
so
just
may I know what you
tell
are doing
me,
right
sir. Actually, till yesterday I am working in Virtusa, but yesterday I resigned that. Means
now.
they
So what
told
was
me
your job profile?
I am associate engineer.
Okay, in which technology?
Java technology, but I'm not worked there in any project till now because I'm just going through the training and all. So just I'm allocated to the project, but I don't know why they said me to quit the job and all.
Okay, so you are in a different platform, but this is cloud platform. And Anjali, in IT industry, future is all about cloud.
Okay.
So every client is moving to cloud in upcoming days. The reason is because with the help of this one, they save their lot of money. And if I talk about everything in the end, coming is all about money.
Yes.
So every client is saving a lot of money with the help of cloud platforms. So that's why every client is moving to cloud platforms. And with the help of this one, you'll get a better job in the market. Okay. And what we are learning in this training, I have shared the course content link in the chat box. Or may I know, are you in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir.
In that WhatsApp group also, if you see in the group description, we have shared the course content link also there. So you can join, you can check the course content from there also. You will get the complete details, whatever we are going to learn in this training.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Any more questions? Okay. Yes, Ali, you can unmute.
Hi Ankit, this is Ali. I have an experience of 7 years of experience as a SQL Server DBA. So I have an experience in IAS as well as in Azure. I have 50% of idea. So as of
Hmm.
now, my project actually it has been related to AWS. So how it
Okay.
is going to be related as a database part? How you are going to relate? So and other question is it going to be an
Let's go
impact?
with one by one. It will be easy
Okay,
for me to answer. It should be easy to understand you also.
okay,
Okay.
Ankit, not an
Now,
issue.
related to database part, in database, we are going to cover one service called RDS here.
Okay.
Okay. And how we need to link with RDS with our EC2 machines and our work. That also we are going to see in this training with the help of one project which we are going to cover in this training.
Great.
Did you see the course content, Ali?
Yeah, I have seen.
In
So,
course content, I have already mentioned about RDS service. Okay.
okay.
And just 1 minute. And in the end of the training, I have mentioned about two projects also. And one project is related with RDS service also.
Okay. So
We
only
are
thing.
covering two projects total.
Okay. So I had a doubt, how it is going to be related database. So I mean, when I see the curriculum, it shows clearly AWS administrator, that is solution architect
This is
certificate.
completely architect training we have. So in this
Yeah.
one, whatever the database we require, we are going to cover that.
Yeah. I have seen that actually. In case if I am familiar with this, I think I can go ahead with the Terraform as well. I mean, why? Because AWS is more important in case if we are as
Terraform is coming under DevOps part.
Yeah. But a basic, yeah, AWS should be there, and I think in this curriculum, I think we can get the information. I hope.
Definitely, yes.
So other question is is it going to be an interactive session or how it is going to be?
Definitely interactive sessions. You can ask your question in the training also.
Mhm.
Whenever you have any question, you can raise your hand.
Sure,
And after completion of the topic, I'll definitely give you the chance to speak. Okay.
sure. Thank
If might be you are not able to ask question in the session,
you.
okay, might be you are not able to think about that question, but while practice, you are able to think about that question. So whenever you're doing practice it, at that time, you can email me to my email ID also while practice.
Okay.
And when I'm going to see your email, I'll reply you.
Sure. Thank you so much, Ankit. That's it. Yeah.
Yes, Rajesh.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, Rajesh.
I'm from mechanical domain,
Mm,
and I'm working as an assistant professor since last 9 years.
okay.
Recently, I have joined your 93 batch, but because of some or other reason, I could not complete. But
Mm.
right now, uh, let me know whether this course will help me to shift from mechanical to IT industry.
Rajesh, you said that you are from completely from a mechanical background.
Yes.
And you are a teacher, you're not the person who's working in any IT industry or any other company.
Yes.
So, Rajesh, the only solution is you have to put some experience with the help of that particular experience. You can switch to companies.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, this course, is it the sufficient to shift from mechanical to IT? I
Yes,
will
it
put
is
the experience,
sufficient.
no doubt.
It is sufficient. Definitely, this course will also get you help you to clear the interview also. Because whatever we are learning it, just you need to focus on those things. And in the end of the training, I'm going to share some some interview questions also with you. Okay. With
Okay.
the help of this one, you can go for it. And what I am going to share in the training, the fees you are going to pay, and this what you are getting it.
Okay,
Live
sir.
training and
Okay.
recording, you are getting it. And in this
Uh,
training, I am going to use some training PPTs. Okay.
yeah.
There are total
Yeah.
91. Let me
Uh,
complete this. Let me complete.
okay.
Okay. Nine. I am going to use some PPTs, which I am going to share with all of you. AWS dump document, the document which I have created, sample resumes, interview questions, and quiz. So these things which we are getting it at the end of the training. On daily basis, you will get these things.
Okay. I have registered for 93 batch. I have paid the fees. So can I use the material for the 93
Yes, you
batch?
can use that also.
Is there any validity for the same?
Lifetime.
Huh?
Lifetime.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
No download option, lifetime access you are getting for view.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, Akhil.
Hello.
Yes, Akhil.
Yeah, hi, good morning, sir. So
Good morning.
actually, since this is a cloud, will there be any impact on the other technologies like which are presently working on?
Sorry, can you repeat your question again, Nikhil? Akhil, sorry.
Yeah, since this is a cloud technology which is
Hmm.
trending right now, will
Right.
this have an impact on the other technologies which are existing for the past few years? Will it have an impact with this, or
Definitely,
or
definitely
the
yes, Akhil.
can you
Because
please?
with cloud platform, other technologies are jobs are getting reduced. If I talk about a DBA, those are DBA jobs are going to finish in the market very soon. And the reason is only is cloud.
So presently I'm working on Itachi. So is it the right move that I could move to cloud, or the Itachi would be still be existing in the future also?
No, definitely it will be exist because the clients are using it. They'll use it if the new client want to use. But most of the jobs which we are getting in the market nowadays, rather than any other technology, which profile has more jobs is cloud platform.
Okay. So it would be like the techno that we cannot assure that the technology which the previous is there would be still existing in the future. There is no
Correct.
guarantee.
We can't guarantee about that, but
Okay.
cloud will be there.
Okay, sir. And also, like, I have a doubt, like,
Mm.
what is the query session like? Would I have a contact number directly, or a email contact would be there if I get any doubts or
You can
on the?
email me. I'm not going to share my contact number with any one of them.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sharing the email ID today with all of you. While practice, if you have any question, you can email me and make sure whenever you're sending an email to me, you're mentioning your batch number also in the top in the subject or in the email. So it will be easy for me to reply.
Okay. Is it like anything like since it's a email, there would
Mm.
be a lot of emails, right? What is the
Don't
expect?
worry. Don't worry.
Yeah.
You will get a reply. I'm not missing any email. I'm replying to each and every email. But yes, might be if your email is going in spam, that might be take time to reply.
Okay, sir.
But you are getting the reply. Might be if I'm busy on weekends, sometimes that time it will take time. Otherwise, you'll get reply as soon as possible.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
need to worry about that.
And also, final doubt, like,
Mm.
is it like, do I prefer AWS or DevOps? Could you segregate that?
What is the best solution is you first you
Yes.
can go with AWS and then after that you can go with AWS.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, can we move directly to the DevOps also? Is it any possibility?
If you can move directly to DevOps, it's quite difficult for you to understand something.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And there are
And
no jobs only for DevOps, we have it in mind. Whenever
okay,
you're applying for a job, they are definitely ask for AWS knowledge also.
okay. And
Okay.
what is the job opportunities like, which is demanded in between of AWS and DevOps?
Sorry.
Which is the most demand in when we compare AWS and DevOps separately in a separate base.
There is no, that's why I tell you there are no separate jobs for DevOps, we have it in market.
Okay.
Whenever you search for a job, they definitely ask cloud plus DevOps knowledge.
Okay. And also, like, if I only apply for the AWS, what is the job
Yeah,
opportunity
AWS jobs also we
percentage?
have it in market. Only AWS jobs also we have in market. But yes, in that particular case, you'll definitely get a less package rather than you go with just AWS and AWS DevOps.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, Ganesh.
Uh, Hi Ankit sir, this is
Hi.
Ganesh, and I think I don't have any questions because you already answered my question earlier. Few team member already raised their hands,
Mhm.
so I'm okay with that right now.
Okay. Thank you, Ganesh.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, Mahesh.
Yeah, so my question is it helpful for relating the data engineering?
Sorry.
Means you cover in this class regarding the data engineering part.
No, we are not going to cover anything about data engineering in this training. This is Azure associate level training, not data engineering training.
No, but cloud data engineering, cloud part.
There is nothing about cloud data engineering, Mahesh. We are going to cover about a topic called AWS associate level training, which is the course content defined by the AWS to us. So that course content we are covering.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Any more questions, Mahesh?
Um,
Oh. Yes, there is. There you can unmute.
Yeah, hi Ankit. So,
Hi.
so my question is that regarding the, I just go through the your course content. It's very good, and
Mm.
so my question is that the migration part. So it will be cover the migration part in the detailed manner, or what is that?
We have multiple services here for migration. As
Uh-huh.
per associate level, we just need to know about a backup service. Okay.
Okay.
Data sync, migration on-premises VM to AWS,
Okay.
and AWS no. And this one we can't see practical because for these, we need to order some devices from AWS. This is just a theory part.
No, the third
And
third part will cover, right?
I didn't
Okay.
complete my
Okay.
words.
Okay.
Rina. And whatever we are going to learn, we are going to complete in the depth also.
Okay. So okay,
Okay.
so you are talking about AWS, no, will not cover. So migration on premises VM to AWS, that will cover, right?
Definitely yes. And practically, I'm going to show you. And with the help of this one, you can create a new EC2 machine, also new virtual machine with the help of this one.
Okay. And my next question is, so this batch timing is 9 to 10 a.m. right, on daily basis, right?
Correct.
So if my next month might be my shift will change. So how this? So can we join to different batch in the later month or next month?
Yes, correct. If you make the payment for the
Yeah.
course,
Okay.
okay, in future, it's within 1 year.
Okay.
Within 1 year, not just few days, within 1 year, if you want to attend any other batch, you can attend that also
Okay.
as per your preferable times.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ankit.
Yes, Sashi.
Hey, hi Ankit, good morning.
Yes, Sashi. Hi, good morning.
Like, I have a different background. Like, I have 6 years of experience in the infra, like Windows and VMware earlier. So, like, I would like to know, like, one of my friend referred your course. So I'm planning to, like, he told me that you can change. I wanted to change the domain because of the, the shifts in the infra. So I wanted to continue with the DevOps. Like he suggested me to go through your training AWS first, and then later go to the DevOps. So my
Correct.
question here, like actually, so there is a gap of 20 months. You can say like almost 2 years gap in my career. So how can I fill that in the AWS, and how can I make it like you can say the experience? Can I go through the experience with the 6 years of experience in this course?
After completion of this trading session, if you want to go for experience only for AWS, you can put maximum of 2 years of experience.
Okay. How about DevOps?
If yes, if you go with AWS, and after that you go with the DevOps course also, okay, then you can put 3 years of experience.
So not more than that. Like if you, even though you can like, we can learn from our end, like.
Otherwise, after that, it's quite going to difficult to clear the interview session if you put more than that.
Okay. So what will be the market for the future of DevOps, like on AWS, like Ankit, like
Future, like earlier I've told, the future is all about in the IT industry is all about cloud platform.
okay. So presently there is a layoff going on, like how it going to relate with the cloud and all?
Sorry, which thing going on?
Layoffs.
Okay. So the reason is because everyone is moving to cloud platforms.
Okay.
So definitely jobs are getting reduced for other technologies because everyone is moving to cloud platform. If
Okay.
anyone in the training is a DBA, you can listen to them. Their jobs are at stake within 2 to 3 years. Our jobs are going to be finished. DBA jobs.
Mm-hmm.
The reason is cloud platform because earlier what we need whenever we have on premises, we need a DBS which needs to work 24/7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
But
So what?
yes,
Yeah. Go ahead.
nowadays everything is managed by the AWS. So we don't need a DBA in our organization. So it's a jobs are reducing for them.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So is it acceptable, like for the companies which like from infra to DevOps, the domain change within the single company experience? Can we put it on the resume? How the companies
That's
use?
why we are covering it called migration, Shashi. That is called migration, how companies are moving it from their on-premises to AWS also.
Okay.
That is called migration, and that we are going to cover in that train. That other student was asking the question regarding that, how we are going to cover it migration.
Okay.
So here we have that part.
Okay. And what will like my final question is what would be the package like I'm going to get with the 3 years of experience with the AWS DevOps?
Sorry, Shashi, regarding the package, I can't give information because packages are majorly depend on your interview purpose also.
Well, like across the market, how is the market?
No, seriously speaking, I don't have information but about package regarding that because packages are depend on your previous package also. First of all, second thing depend on your interview also, how much you are going to impress that person. Third thing, it depend on the company also.
Okay.
So regarding the package, I can't give any much information.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Ram.
Hi. Hi, good morning. So I've been following you guys since like I have completed a DevOps course as well from Sunil sir. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. So I am little confused like going with AWS or Azure because I saw Azure is for 35 days which cost more, but AWS is for more 5 days, like that's 40 days, but
It
cost less.
doesn't make
So
any
how?
difference with 5 days or 10 days.
No, not exactly in 5 days, but one of my friend is also working in cloud only. So he was suggesting going with Azure, but when I googled on other any other things, so being a fresher, they were suggesting go with AWS. So I'm little
It's
confused.
depend on you. I am the trainer
Yeah.
for both the one. It depend on you, Ram. Whichever you want to learn, you can learn. Or if you want to learn both, you can learn it. Because earlier I said, I am
Yeah.
working in both the technologies from last 7 years. And I'm getting it more package than the person who's working with only on AWS
Okay. Yeah,
or
but being
only
a
with on
fresher,
Azure.
I'm not exactly aware which to choose. So yeah, again I
You can
know.
go one by one.
Okay.
Don't go with parallelly. Don't go with parallel because definitely you're a fresh. It's quite difficult for you to understand those things also. Go
Yes.
one by one. It's up to
So
you which you want to choose.
okay. So yeah, although I have started with AWS only, so yeah, I'll prefer going with AWS only. And also my question is, I'm having 4+ years of experience in I'm a QA engineer. So
Hmm.
how this will help me to migrate from being a QA engineer to DevOps?
You are
Or
working in which company, Ram?
I'm in JP Morgan.
Is that company has uh, cloud platform projects?
Yeah, they have on AWS.
Okay,
Yeah.
they have. So, do you have any migration? You can switch your project from one project to the in your company. Do you have that particular profile, something like that?
Uh,
IGP. Yes, Ram. Are you able to hear me?
uh, they allow us to migrate from one profile to
So
another.
definitely yes. So you don't need to do anything. I'm just complete this particular training, and after that completion of this training, go to HR and change your. I fill the IGP and change to other project. That's the best solution. If you are working in any good company, guys, not just for RAM, for everyone. If you are working in any good company, in your company, you have cloud projects. The best solution is after completion of the training, go to your HR and tell them you need to fill IGP and you need to switch to that particular cloud platform. So this is one of the best solution you have. So with this, you don't need to put any experience, and whatever your previous experience you have in that particular company, that particular experience is going to migrate to cloud platform automatically.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any more questions?
No, that's it. That's so much.
Okay, a few more questions and then we'll start with our demo session. Yes, Akash.
Hello.
Yes, Akash.
Hi, Ankit. So just wanted to know what are the different like certifications available on AWS, and with this course completion, what certifications we will be able to achieve?
Just a minute, let me tell you. Now, these are the certifications which available we have it in AWS right now. Okay. After completion of this training, if you want to go for any certification, you can go for this particular certification called AWS Architect Associate level. Okay, this one. But one important point, right? Akash, I'm not, while giving the training, I'm not focusing on certification. Okay, because I'm not providing the training which help you to clear the certification. I'm helping you to understand the concept and which help you to clear the interview, because just giving a certification will not give you the job. It will just give you the call from the company that you are selected for the interview. But this certification will not provide you the job.
Correct.
The job will provide you your interview. So we are more focusing on interview rather than a certification. But yes, if you want to clear the certification of the training, the one which I have told you, we are providing the dumps, like here the image which I have shown you. In that one, I have mentioned that we are going to provide some dump. This one. This dump will help you to clear the certificate that we are going to provide you. And this all are in things are including under our course fees, which we are taking at 1,770.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Any more questions?
No, Ankit. Thank you so much.
Yes, Vasu.
Hello, Ankit. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for this opportunity, first of all. It's been 6 years I'm working in IT. I would like to know a few things from you. So when when you said, when you quoted that, it's going to be interactive session. So you also, brainstorm us what sort of questions we may get on that particular topic.
I'm sharing the interview questions in the end of the training.
No. When the class is going on, let's say you're telling about EC2 instance, and on the particular day there is a module of EC2 instance you are telling, and you will also brainstorm, and you will also give us some information like, okay, this could be a question on your interview.
Definitely yes. Definitely yes. While teaching the topics, I'm going to tell that what can be the interview question they can ask you.
Okay.
Definitely yes. I'm going to tell them.
Yeah. Thank you so much for
that. And one more thing, I'm giving some tasks also.
Okay.
Okay. Few tasks also I'm going to provide. For few tasks, I'm going to help you. For few tasks, you guys help by yourself.
Yeah, sure.
Okay? And there is no help from our side for few tasks.
Okay. And the following question is, there are multiple ways to achieve the, final solution or ultimate solution. So you're going to teach us the different ways of, solutions for the one particular problem.
The problems are not much we are getting it, Vasu here. Sorry.
Okay.
We're not getting it while creating, but yes, whenever we are facing it, we'll let you know what you can ignore those things so you will not face any issues, because majorly the new people are doing it. they are doing some mistake while generating PPKs and other things. So that I'm going to tell you, don't do this mistake, so you're not facing any issues. Or while creating VPCs or subnets, they are doing mistakes. So we are going to tell them, you need to ignore these things.
Yeah, because being in IT, I mean, when we go for a project, so we don't know what impacts it creates. I mean, when you click on some button and when you
So
perform some tasks,
I'm,
so
I'm,
that
I'm telling it, whatever. So what you need to do is whatever I'm doing it, you just need to go for that particular thing. And whatever I need to do, it is all steps are mentioned in my PPTs, because I'm going to use these PPTs in the training, which I have already created. The 91 PPTs I'm going to use.
okay.
So whatever the steps I'm going to do, where to click right now, what is the next step, all steps is mentioned in my PPT.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
even you don't need to create your own separate notes to learn this training. You can use my notes, whichever I'm providing it to you. And at the end of the training, like earlier I've told, I'm providing one document. Here is one document, which is near about 897 page document. Okay. In this document also, you have with screenshot. So whatever I'm doing it, I have already created this document with screenshots. So in future, after completion of the training also, you have any doubts, you can refer this document also. Or you can email me even after completion of the training.
Thank you so much, Ankit. And one last question. So you said on certification part. So do you? I mean, the dump which you're giving to us, will it suffice to clear the
Sufficient.
exam? Okay.
Correct. It's
Or
sufficient
else
to
at
clear the
different
exam.
modules or different dumps we also
No,
needed.
no, no. That same dump which we are providing, that is sufficient to clear this.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ankit. I'm thankful to you. Yeah.
Okay. So we'll start with our demo session, guys. Those have raised their hand, just wait for a few more minutes. I'll come to you to ask your questions also. Okay, so whenever we are thinking about AWS, what needs to be come in our mind first? The first thing needs to become in our mind is cloud computing. Because what is AWS? AWS is based on cloud computing technology. So before starting off AWS, we have to little bit understand what is cloud computing. Cloud is not a cloud which we are actually seeing it. Definitely somewhere in the Mumbai location, or might be in the New York location, in the Sydney location, somewhere in the world, a physical server is there that we are accessing from our mobile phones or from our laptops or from our tabs, from our computers. So we are accessing that particular cloud from any part of the world. And we can access this particular cloud platform by using our public internet also, or by using our private internet also. What is public internet? The internet which we are using on our daily basis, that is called as public internet. But what is private internet? The internet which is used in organization. So you have listened a word called VPN. We can access our cloud with the help of VPNs also. So this is, we have cloud platforms. So we can access that particular, like a website also we can access from any part of the world, like google.com, facebook.com, Amazon. Same way we can access this cloud platforms also from any part of the world. And we can create any applications also we want to use as an infrastructure. We can use that also. If you want to store anything like Google Drive, it's a storage space, we are storing our data. So in cloud platforms also we have storage services. In that we can store n number of files, n number of data we can store. It's unlimited data we can store into that also. We have some services where we can store unlimited data also. So these are the cloud platforms we have in market. So how many cloud platforms? We have a lot of cloud platforms we have in market. AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google, Alibaba Cloud, Oracle, Tencent, IBM. These are the cloud platforms which we have it in market. And who is the number one cloud platform we have it in market is AWS. This is the review which we get on July 2021. After that, we didn't get any review right now. Now, here we have some features about cloud computing. I'm not going to discuss about these features. Definitely, if I discuss, those are completely fresher, they'll start getting confused. These are the features we have under cloud platform. But yes, I'm going to discuss about two important features. One is called security, other one is called as ASU. Now, what is security here? In cloud platforms, we are getting it one of the best security feature we are getting it. So we don't need to worry about the hacker. So we have a lot of information here with the help of that one. We have a lot of things like encrypt our data. We can enable NACL. We have security groups. So multiple types of security things we have, even which we are going to discuss in our upcoming session also. With the help of this one, if you want to restrict any hacker, and if you get any information about our hacker, we can block them also. Or we can give that particular type of security here, that this particular machines we can only access from this particular IP, not from any other IP address. We can use it. So we have multiple security features we are going to learn in this trade. Next is pay-as-you-go model. All cloud platforms are pay-as-you-go model. It means if I'm using that particular service only for 1 hour, I only need to pay for 1 hour. I don't need to pay for full day or full month. So this is just a cloud platform. We have this feature. Now, let's take an example here. I need to start my own OTT platform. If I need to start my own OTT platform, what I need to do? I need to create my own servers. So if I want to create my own servers, I need to purchase a lot of RAM, CPU, hard disk, monitors. So a lot of investment I need to done in the market. Let's take example. I need to done an investment of near about 10 lakh rupees. And after a few months, our OTT platform, which we have started, is not working. It's not worth to start. We are getting a lot of loss for starting that particular thing. So if I want to shut down that particular OTT platform, the investment which I have done is completely a wastage of money. If I sell out in the market, definitely I'm not getting the same price. The investment which I have done, I didn't get that one. So definitely it's a loss. To save that loss also, we are moving to cloud platform. Because to start cloud platform, I don't need to invest that much of money. I only need to invest 2 rupees. Just to start anything, we need to invest 2 rupees. Why I need to invest? Even the 2 rupees also we are getting in refund. To create an AWS account, we only need to pay 2 rupees to AWS just to validate our card details. And after 3 to 5 days, we'll get the 2 rupees also get refund in our account. So it means how many investment we are doing it? 0. So this is also one reason we are moving to cloud platforms. So if everything is not working it, then we can directly just terminate all those machines and close your AWS account. Everything get down there on this spot. So we don't need to invest a single rupee to start our new platforms. This is also one feature we have it in cloud platform. Now we have multiple types of clouds also. One is called public cloud. Sorry, first we have deployment model and service model. In deployment model, we have public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. In service model, we have IaaS, SaaS, AWS. Now, here we have the definitions of all these things. Public cloud is that particular cloud we can access from publicly also. We can access that particular cloud from publicly. And in AWS, we have a service called EC2. The full form is Elastic Compute Cloud. That particular service we can access by using publicly also. But yes, we have to enable that particular feature under that EC2 so we can access that particular service publicly also. So EC2 service is called as public cloud. Then in AWS, we have a service called VPC. It's a private cloud. Because in this one, what we are doing it, we are taking our own space in AWS cloud. I'm taking my own space. I'm taking my own private space. Because under my private space, I'm going to create all my machines, whichever I needed. So that is why hybrid cloud is a combination of public plus private. We are going to practically learn about these services. You will understand this hybrid cloud and private cloud when we are going to learn about a service called VPC. Now, coming to service models. All cloud platform, whichever we have it in market, all are called as infrastructure as service because we are using their infrastructure to create our own application, to create our own websites, to create our own setups. We are using their infrastructure. So all cloud platforms, whichever we have it in market, all 7 to 8 cloud platforms are called as infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Now, in AWS, we have a service called Elastic Beanstalk. That particular service is called as platform as a service. Because in this cloud platform, what we are doing it, we are just uploading our code. Everything is going to manage by the AWS. Whatever the infrastructure is required to us, that is going to be completely creating by the AWS team. Automatically system will create, depend on our code, whatever the code we are going to upload. Even we are going to this service also learn in our upcoming session. This service is majorly used by the developers. Last one and the next and last one is software as a service. We all know Gmail. We all know WhatsApp, Telegram. What are these? These are called as software as a service. We can access these particular things from our mobile app also, or from our web browsers also we can access these particular stuff. So these things are called as software as a service also. So these are the types of cloud computing we have in the market. Practically, we are going to learn these particular services, whichever we have discussed it. So you will more understand when we are going to learn about these particular services. Now we'll go with AWS. Now, what is AWS? AWS is a cloud computing service created by a company called Amazon. We can access that particular cloud with the help of internet. It can be public internet or it can be the private internet. Overview of AWS when it started in 2006. 6, they have investment the huge amount of money in data centers. Data center means regions. Regions means where we are going to create our machines. And where we have all those regions, here I have given the map. Here is that map. Wherever we have the regions, we can see here. Let's start with North America. Here I'm getting. So wherever you see the blue dots, these are our regions. And wherever you find this red dot, it means it is coming soon. So here we have. So these are the regions we have it in North America. Here are the lists also we are getting in the below. Now, coming to South America. In South America, we have only one. And there is no coming soon, we have it in South America also. And they have launched this particular region in 2011. Europe, here I'm getting. In Europe also, we don't have any coming soon. So all are Middle East. So we have 2 ongoing. One is coming soon in Israel. Africa, we have just only one in Cape Town. Launched on 2020. Asia Pacific. Here we are. China. These are the ones. So in Japan or China. Here we have it in India. In India, we have 2. One is Mumbai and other one is in Hyderabad. When they have launched in 2022, last month, in the month of November, the Hyderabad region is launched by last month. So earlier in India, we have just only one in Mumbai region, but last month we got one more in Hyderabad, so it is also live. So our customers, if anyone wants to create the machines in Hyderabad region, they can start creating into that also. But in Asia, we have upcoming also. In Thailand, we have upcoming. No, we don't have any more upcoming in Asia Pacific. Now coming to Australia, here we go. One. But here we have in New Zealand upcoming. In Australia also we have one. So here we have the regions. We have a lot of regions in AWS. So they have invested a huge amount of money. So their customers are getting it best service from their side. That is why they have start creating new regions also. They can connect to more and more customers very easily. Now, coming to trial subscription, whenever we are going to create our AWS account, we are getting a trial subscription for their site for our practice purpose. Few services we are getting it for 12 months free. So it means whenever you're going to create an account from that particular date, for next 12 months, you are getting it. Few services are going to always 12 months free. It doesn't mean in 12 months it is completely free. In that also they are giving you some quota. The 12 months, in 12 months also they are giving you some quota. So that particular quota, you need to use it. If you are exceeding the quota, then you will get a bill for it. Whatever the free services we are getting it, we'll discuss that in our training notes. Next, we have always free. Few services you are getting it always free for lifetime also. But yeah, in that also they are defining the quota that this much is quota is free for lifetime. If you complete that free quota, then if you are using it, then you need to pay for. and few services are for trial period. Trial period means that particular service you'll get only free for 15 days, 2 months, or 3 months, or 4 months. Like this, they are providing. So here I have given the free tier details also, where we can see which service is completely free, which service is for 12 months free. Here we can see. Yeah. If you want to see here, we have see that 12 months. 12 months. You want to filter, we can filter that also. 12 months free. Here I'm getting it. You can see multiple pages also we are getting it. And under this also, they are defining that particular quota. Let's say here I'm coming a service called EC2. In EC2, they are providing 750 hours per month free. 750 hours per month free for Linux-based operating system. 750 hours per month free for Windows-based operating system. And under this also, they have mentioned a type T2 micro or T3 micro. Instance depend on region. In few regions, they are providing T2 micro free. T2 micro free. In few regions, they are providing T3 micro. So here we are getting it. If I talk about in S3, they are giving 5 GB of free quota to. So we can store only 5 GB of data, not more than. If you are storing it, we'll get a bill. So like this, we have always free services also. See, 1 million requests per month free. In DynamoDB, 25 GB is free, but more than 25 GB if you are storing data, we'll get a bill. In SNS, always free, they have given 1 million requests. More than 1 million if you are using, we have to pay. Because there is no per month quota. In Lambda, we have per month quota. But in SNS, we have lifetime 1 billion quota. And here we have trial. See, 2 months, 40 hours, 15 days, 750 hours. So here they have given the details. That particular service is free only for that particular time period. And here I have already shown you this particular chart where we can see that AWS is #1 cloud we have it in, which we are going to learn in this. Now coming to the list of services which we are going to cover in this. These are the services which we are going to cover in this training. Let's see how many services we are going to cover. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27 services which we are going to cover this training. And I have already shared the course content link with you guys. And again, I'm going to share the course content link in the chat box. You can see the course content link from here also. And one more thing, and I'm going to share one WhatsApp group link in the chat box also. If anyone in the training which is not in our WhatsApp group, you can please join our WhatsApp group by using the link. If you're already there in our WhatsApp group of batch 109, I'm requesting you, please don't join duplicates. Now, after completion of the training, if you want to go for any certification, you can go for this certification, AWS Architect Associate level. And what is the exam code for this one? We have it is SAAC03. This is the exam code we want to go. If I talk about few months back, 2 months back, the exam code was C02, but now it has been changed to C0. This is the exam code which you need to go for that. For this one, you will get a dump from our side. And what you are getting from our side, which I have already told you guys, live training, recordings, training PPTs, dump, documents, sample resumes, interview questions, and quiz. What we have it is quiz. So whatever we are going to learn in the training, after your completion of your practice, if you want to just check your knowledge, whatever you have learned, did you remember those things also? Yes, you can do that. And yes, one more additional point. In this, you will get course completion certificate also with these things also. But definitely that also you are getting at the end of the training, course completion certificate also. This is about from my side. If you still have any question, you can please raise your. Yes, Venkata.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Sir, is this the complete course of AWS?
This is a complete course of AWS.
Oh, okay. Sir. And the next question is, what is the difference between AWS Associate Architect and also the Cloud Data Engineering? Someone asked you this question, right, sir, regarding the Cloud Data Engineering.
We are told that this is the architect associate level training, and we are
Can I
only
know the
going to
difference
cover
between
that.
this and that, sir?
Sorry, we are not going to discuss anything regarding these things which are not relevant to this particular training.
Oh, okay, okay, sir.
Okay, because this is not for the training.
And one more thing is, sir, do I need to learn Linux also for better understanding of AWS? Sir?
If you want to go, yes, you can, Venkata, you can learn that also.
Sir, is it would it be helpful to learn? Would it be helpful if I learn AWS? Sorry, if I learn Linux for AWS?
Yes, definitely it help you if you help you to more understand about Linux concept, because here we are going to use some Linux concept also.
Okay, sir. And there is no is there any prerequisite for this, sir? I think no, but I'm just confirming it.
No.
And also, sir, actually, my classes will be. Sometimes I'll be having classes, sir, even at the time of 9 to 11, 9 to 10. So, can I join in other batch as well, sir?
Yes, like earlier I've told, if you make the payment, if you are my student, you can attend any batch within 1 year also.
And one more thing is, sir, let's say I have attended all the classes in this batch, and am I still allowed to join the other batches as well?
Yes, then also you can join.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. That's all.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Biswal, you can unmute.
Yeah.
Yes, you can ask your question. Yes, Namita, you can unmute.
Hello, Ankit. My question is, actually, I have around 5 years of experience into Oracle SQL and PLSQL. And now my confusion is whether what will be better, AWS plus DevOps or Snowflake or Big Data?
No, see, I'm not working on snowflakes and big data, so I can't give you the information regarding that particular thing. And even if I'm talking about AWS, yes, I have information about AWS. Sorry, Snowflakes. Snowflakes is also working on cloud platform. Snowflakes is not a cloud. Snowflakes in the end working on AWS and Azure cloud platform.
Okay. So which profile I will get more jobs means with the existing SQL profile, considering this experience, and which will be better?
Even if you want to go for snowflakes, first you need to know cloud knowledge.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, then you can go with snowflakes also, because in the end, snowflakes is going to work on AWS or Azure cloud platform or Google cloud platform. Is supporting 3 cloud platform, and they are using a service of storage service of our cloud platforms.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
It depend on your interest where you want to go.
Okay, fine.
Yes, Biswas, you can unmute.
Hello. So my question is, I'm an engineer by qualification, and almost I had a career break of almost 10 years. So I just want to ask, is it beneficial for me to, to restart my career again, in this platform?
Yes, definitely. Yes, you can restart your career also. But yes, you said that you have a career gap. So you have to put some experience, and with the help of that one, you can again come on the track.
Okay.
Because definitely they are not going to consider you as a fresher. It's not going quite difficult for you to take a job as a fresher.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so you have to go with some experience.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
So I
Yes,
mean,
yes.
I
Do you have
mean,
any more questions?
will I be able to understand the whole course? Since,
Definitely, yes. You are able to understand the whole course because we are going to start from basic to advanced level. Okay, we are not directly going to just start with the advanced level. So if a person is fresher, a person is having any type of experience, anyone can join this training.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, Malika Arjun, you can unmute.
Sir, I completed intermediate in 2011 and 2011.
Okay.
And degree completed 2019, and so that I have career gap. I sustain this cloud platform.
So what's your question here? What do you want to ask?
I have career gaps, sir.
Okay, so what do you want me to help you in that?
This
Please
training,
elaborate your question. You said your career gap. So what's your question here?
Can I get a cloud platform job?
Definitely, yes, you'll get it. But yes, you put some experience. You said you have a career gap. Okay, so with that career gap, you have to fill that career gap also.
Okay.
Okay, you have to fill that career gap, then they are going to be considered.
Okay.
Yes, Akstam, you can. Akstam Khan, you have raised your hand. Yes, Sastvik, you can unmute.
Hello, Ankit. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, Ankit. My question is, I did AWS certification called Cloud Practitioner, and while doing certification, I got some hands-on knowledge on EC2, VPC, and some other services. And how this course helped me, Ankit? Hello.
Yes, yes, you can complete cracking up between. Hear me?
Hello.
Yes, hear me.
No, Ankit. Can you again, repeat this again?
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, Ankit. Yes, Ankit.
Yes, you can repeat your question again.
I had some hands-on experience on some services like S3, EC2, and VPC. How this course will be beneficial for me, and I know knowledge up to cloud practitioner level.
So, do you have full knowledge of VPC? Do you know what is VPC peering?
VPC peering is used to connect two VPCs.
Have you practically done that?
Yes, Sangeeta. I had connected two VPCs.
Okay, so what do you want? So you can check the course content, Satvik. So you can check what do you know, don't know. So that definitely those things you will learn it, because in this practitioner is a very basic thing. Okay, but in this one we are learning about architect level. So definitely you don't know all those things whichever we are going to cover in this training. Definitely the things you don't know, those things you are going to learn in the training. Okay. Because we are not providing the training of practitioner, we are directly providing the training of architect level, and practitioner is an optional thing.
Okay.
It's not mandatory to take the training, or because the things which we have it in practitioner, we are also going to cover in our technical. in this
Okay.
training also.
Thank
Okay.
Okay, I'm good. Thank you.
Now you can unmute.
Yeah, so my question is, I was in your previous class and I dropped, but I bought the class. Now, if I want to be in the live session after you change the code, what is the process? What do I need to do?
So you can do one thing. You can drop an email to our support team. So do you have an email ID of our support team also?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. If you drop an email with the payment screenshot, so whatever the details they are required from your side, they'll get it. Okay. And whenever I'm going to change the link after a few days, they'll share that link with you.
Okay. All right.
Okay?
Thank you.
Drop an email to this email ID with your payment screenshot.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yes, Dipendra, you can unmute.
Hello, can
Yes,
you hear me?
Dipendra. Yes, Dipendra.
Actually, I am having more than 5 years of Java development experience. So, is this course going to help me in my career?
So, what experience do you have?
Java development experience.
That is completely different thing, Dipendra. But yes, you can work on this cloud platform also. And in cloud platform, you can make your own applications. Earlier, you are making an application on premises, but now you can make those applications in cloud platform.
Yes.
Okay. Clear?
No.
And earlier you are making the applications in your own laptop, in office laptops.
Yes.
Or on premises, you are doing it.
Yes.
But now, in future, you want to work on cloud platforms, and in cloud platforms, you are going to make an applications.
No. Would it be any helpful for my career?
Definitely yes, because you have a cloud knowledge and everything is moving to cloud platform in future. So definitely it's going to help you to give the more knowledge, and you'll get a more package in future if you want to switch your company.
Okay.
It will increase your package with developer plus architect level knowledge, give you the more package.
No, one more thing. Is it you told in sometimes before you told na, there are almost 30 services you are going to cover during this training.
Yes.
So my question is, as a developer, are these all
No, developer is not going to work on all services. Developer work on a service called S3, called EC2. In these two services, it is working more.
Okay.
Okay. Not going to work on all services.
Thank you.
Yes, Hemant, you can unmute.
Yes. Thank you. So here I saw almost all are related to AWS services. So I have small doubts about automation services, like not services, it's a tools. So Jenkins and other deployment tools like Ansible. These and all.
These are coming under DevOps.
DevOps, right? It's
Okay,
not
this
covering
is not a
in
DevOps training. This is not a DevOps training.
Okay, it's not covered in our session, right?
No,
okay.
Because it's not a DevOps training.
Okay, fine. That's
Okay.
what a little bit confusion. Okay, fine.
Yes, Gunwant, you can unmute. Gunwant, you have raised your hand.
Yes. My question is, as I don't have the knowledge on this AWS, and I'm fresher in this technology. So this course will help me, right, to start.
Definitely, yes, Gunwant.
Okay. And about the charges which you have mentioned there. So the link which you have shared, from that link only I can make the payment, right? And once
Yes, you can
payment is
make the
made,
payment by using that link, or you can visit to our website directly to logiclabstech.com.
okay.
You can create your account, log in into the account, and then you can go to store And there also you will find our batch called 109 in the last.
Okay, so as soon as I make the payment, how do I access those documents directly from
With the
the
help
site
of our
itself?
website.
Okay, okay. And about the course, this exam code which you have given, C03. So once this course is completed, and after that I can be able to go for the exam, right? And
Correct, yes.
any procedure to book the exam, or I
From
can go ahead?
AWS website, you can book it.
Sorry?
From AWS website, if you just search on Google that exam code,
okay,
directly you'll get a link for to book that exams.
Okay, so I will have to go visit any Prometric center and give this exam, right?
You can do it from your home also. Both the options you have. You can go to Pearson Center also, or you can do it from your home also. But yes, make sure at your home, if you are doing it, there will be no person in that particular room. First thing, there is no voice needs to be there. Third thing, you need a connection which work 24/7. So there is no connectivity issues you are having.
Okay.
Okay, so that particular thing you have to, or you can visit to Pearson Center also. That up.
Okay, Ankit. Ankit, one more question is, I have noted all the numbers. So whose number it is? Like Krishna and because
The
I don't
numbers
see.
my teammates, the teammates of the Logical Apps team. The numbers, if you have any questions regarding the training, okay, you can contact them also, the WhatsApp, or you can call them.
Okay, so in future, if I require any guidance from you, so what is the?
No, you can email me. From my guidance, you need to email me. My
On
email
the
ID.
support.
No. My email ID.
Okay, I need to note down this.
Just a minute. Let me share in the chat box.
Yeah, please.
Okay. So if you need any help from my side, you need to email me, not to my support team, to our team. Okay. Only email me. Even you don't need to put them on a CC regarding whenever emailing me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Durga.
Hi, Ankit. Good morning. Ankit, sorry, I missed the first half of your this intro. Just wanted to know what will be the daily activities of AWS engineer. It's the first question, and I do
go
see.
one by one. Go one. It will be easy for me to answer. It will be easy for you to understand.
Yes, sure.
So whatever the activities you are going to do in the end of the training, the sample resumes which I'm going to share. Okay, in that one there is one document also there. With the help of that one, you can create your own sample resume. In that one, I have given all the explanation about daily activities also, because I know it's a very common question asked by the students. So that is why I have already created one document which is uploaded in our sample resumes folder. So when you get sample resumes, you'll get all explanation there.
Yeah, perfect. And apart from, I do see lots of buzz over AWS plus DevOps or Azure plus DevOps. Is there any other sort of technology that will be in the combination of this AWS apart from DevOps?
No. If you want to learn, you can go with more Linux.
Linux. Okay.
Yes, that you can go.
Other thing, this is associate architect. Were there any other course certifications for advanced level? I mean to say, we can.
After that, you have two options actually.
Okay.
After completion of this training, you have two options. One is DevOps.
Okay.
Other one is here. Let me open it. Okay.
Pardon? I missed.
Just a minute. Just a minute. See, I told you after completion of the training, you can go for the certification. Okay. There are two options. One is this professional level, or other one is DevOps level.
Got it.
So you have two options. Whichever you want to go, you can go for one option, or you can go with both options also.
Okay. And the last question is actually I have paid for 105 batch. Can I continue here? I haven't accidentally paid it. And will the session continue with the same Zoom ID, or it will be where?
Right now it is same.
Yeah.
After the Friday session, the link is going to only share with our paid candidates, because it's a completely a paid training.
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to share the link with our paid candidates. Well, you can do one thing on Friday or Saturday whenever you get a time. On that particular day, drop an email to our support team with your payment screenshot. I want to attend the batch of 109. Please share that Zoom link. You will get the Zoom link. You can attend the batch, but yes, you will not get the recording of 109. You will get the recording only for the batch for which you have paid.
Yeah, I got the recording of your 105. Will it be the same across all the batches?
No, the course content definitely I'm upgrading it every time. So it can be I'm not sure when I'm upgrading any new thing. So I'm not sure in this batch also we are adding some new things also.
Okay,
so it can be I can update anything anytime I can. Whenever I'm free time, I'll try to update my course content as soon as possible. Every day, every minute, I'm trying to do that.
Okay, the 105 recordings which I had will be similar to 109, right?
Right now it is same, but might be in future if I update that I can't sure.
Oh God, I paid for 105 without. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks for your
Yes,
time.
Gunwant, you can unmute. Gunwant, you can unmute yourself.
If I'm going for the payment, if I have just log in and it's seen now, so there is an option to make the payment. So net banking is also there, but I don't see any SDFC bank option there.
I'm not sure about that because we are using some other payment gateway. We are using it for our website. So I'm not sure that payment gateway supporting HDFC Bank or not. So you can, you're from India or from which country?
I'm from Mumbai, India.
India. So you can pay by using UPI also. I have think UPI option is there.
Yeah, UPI option is there.
You can pay by using UPI also.
Okay, I will try. Yeah.
Zarindra, you have already done it. Yes,
no, one question here.
Okay.
So after this training, associate, is there any training for professional level?
No, I'm not providing the training for professional.
Okay.
Okay.
So when the actual training will start from next Monday?
From tomorrow.
From tomorrow.
This is just an introduction. From tomorrow, we are going to start something new or learning. So first we learn about how we can create our AWS account. Okay. And then we'll start with our first service called. We'll start our first service called EC2.
Okay. So payment need to be completed formalities by today only, right?
You can do it by today or you can do it before Friday also.
Before Friday.
But yes, you'll not get the documentation if you're not going to pay.
No, it's okay. But actual training will start for tomorrow, right? Same time.
Tomorrow we are going to start. And total we are going to use these 91 people.
Okay, so this 91, once you complete a course, so we will get this all the document, right? PPT.
PPTs I'm uploading on daily basis. Recording and PPTs are uploading on daily basis, but other documents which I've promised, like here I've promised some more documentation, like dump, document, sample resumes, interview question, quiz. These things you will get at the end of it.
Okay.
But yes, on training PPTs, recordings, we are uploading on daily basis.
Okay, so this will get on our email or we need to check on the portal only, Logitech?
Only on portal.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So we will get any ID from this for this Logitech?
Idea means?
Suppose these all the documents is published only in the Logitech website, right? So these can we view only the paid members or how we can this?
Only paid members can view, not other people can view. They'll just get that we have a document. Even they can't open these documents.
So is there any login ID on this Logitech ID? How we can?
Yes, you have to create your login ID.
Okay.
You have to sign up. And if you make the payment, then you'll get the access.
Oh, no issue.
Even if you are logging it to our website, and then you are not going with that email, you're not paid the course, you can't access that course.
I understand.
It's like a Udemy.
Correct. So this ID will be with us for lifetime, right?
Correct.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Tumala, you can unmute.
Hi, Ankit. So actually, I don't have any experience like in the IT industry, but I IT engineer. So I'm looking to start my career like as a DevOps engineer, and I'm not sure if this is the right course for me because like I have looked at the course content and I'm not sure if this is the right path. Just need little clarity on that.
As per you, you said you want to start with your DevOps one. So if you want to go with DevOps first, you need to have cloud knowledge. Okay. Then you can go with cloud directly. If you want to go with cloud, you can go for it. But yes, in the end, when you're trying to apply jobs, they'll ask for the cloud knowledge also.
Okay. Okay. So would you recommend like going through this course first?
I'm going to recommend you first go with this AWS and then go with the DevOps part.
Okay.
That is my recommendation.
Okay. Thank you. That's what I wanted to know.
Yes, Faisal, you can unmute. Faisal Mohammed, you have raised your hand.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Faisal.
Yeah, all my doubts are clear now. Right.
Any more questions?
So, no, from my end, no.
Okay, it's very good, Faisal. It's very good. You're listening to other questions also, because if you're listening to other people or questions also, might be not just in today's session, in upcoming sessions also, might be you are not able to think about that particular point.
Yeah, exactly.
But other person has think about that particular point, and that might be your interview question.
Exactly.
So always, whenever in this session, give your 100% and listen to other people questions also.
Yep. Also, I would also request you to go like a little bit slow so that we can all make quick notes about it.
No, you don't need to make any notes. Don't waste your time on making your own notes. Okay. So don't waste on time on making your notes. Whatever the notes, that's why I have utilized my lot of time to making my own notes. So it will be whenever you want to practice it. It helps you.
So are you referring
practice.
to the PPT that you will be sending us?
Yeah, definitely we are going to upload those PPTs in our app. From there you can access, and even it just means that you can't you can even access from your mobile phone also by downloading our mobile app.
Yeah. Yep.
Here in the below, in our website, if you see in the below, we have our mobile app also. Even for Android also, even for iOS also we have. Okay, so scroll down, you will get the links of our app.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Angit.
Thank you. Yes, Amir, you can unmute.
Hello.
Yes, Amir.
Ankit, I want to ask that I have experience for 4 years in technical support.
Sorry, your voice is little bit low. Can you please increase your volume?
Yeah, I'm saying that I have 4 years of experience in technical support, and like doing this course will be helpful. Like after this course, can I give interview based on experience, or do I have to do AWS as well? DevOps.
Oh, if you just want to go only with AWS, you can go with AWS also. You want to go with DevOps after that, you can go. It's up to you. But yes, if you go with AWS and then DevOps, Amir, you will get a more package for that.
Okay, so like after completion of this course, can I give interview like showing how many years of experience only on AWS?
2 years of experience after completion of the training. But if you go with DevOps also, then you can put 3 years of experience.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Krishna. Krishna, you have raised your hand. Yes, Krishna, you have already unmuted yourself.
So currently I'm working on the SAP basis technology. So I would like to upgrade my skills to the SAP on AWS. So will this course will help me to
we are not going to discuss anything about SAP in this training, Krishna.
Not SAP, only AWS I'm looking for, but the SAP integration part is they going to cover in this session?
We are not going to discuss anything about SAP in this training.
Okay, so any database content we have?
Yes, database we are going to cover in this training, which we have already mentioned it here.
Yeah.
That we are going to cover RDS service here.
Okay.
This is what we are.
Sure. And is there any plan to going for the session for SAP on AWS?
No.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah, thank you. That's it.
Yes, Partha, you can unmute.
Yeah, hi, Ankit.
Just want to know, can you tell me high level, what type of work will do on solution architecture and
like earlier also what should I ask the whatever the day-to-day activities, if you are whatever the we are doing it, for that one I have already created one document which is uploaded in our sample resume document. Okay, so when you get the sample resume, that time you will get those documents from my side.
Okay. I mean, high level, I mean, what is the main difference between this certified developer and SysOps and solution architect? I mean, high level.
Regarding
What
this difference
they will
between, if you
do.
want, you can please search on Google because we are not going to cover anything about those things. But whatever architect level is doing, that I know. I don't know what other people are doing. I don't have information what other people are doing. Okay.
And yeah, one more thing, the subscriptions you have shown, right? 3 different types will be there. So for our practicing purpose, which one we need to use that?
No, we are getting it all three. By default, we are getting all three. That depend on service to service. The service we are using it. It's not depend on our AWS account. It's depend on service to service.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Yes, Navankant, you can unmute.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, I am working as a system administrator in this platform.
Your voice is very low.
I'm working as a Windows administrator. Which certification I have to choose, sir? Like, is it associate or system administrator? Which one I have to choose?
Now, it depend on your interest. We are not going to cover, like earlier I said that we are not providing those trainings. So I don't have any information what SysOps is doing it. And SysOps administrators are doing it. I don't have any information because I am not working in this particular profession. So in the profession which I am not working, how can I give you the suggestion regarding that particular profession? Is it understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with the profession which I am using it, I can only give the details about that particular thing.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Any more questions?
Okay, sir, that's it. Thank you.
Yes, Kesva, you can unmute. Geeta Grace, you can unmute.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, just wanted to check with you. I'm a part of Python batch also. So I already have an account in Logic Lab Tech. So I can go ahead and buy the course from there directly, right? Or
Yes,
do I
you
have
can. No, you can go with the same account and you can buy the course. You don't need to create a different account for that. So in the same account, you can buy the course also.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Chandu.
Hello.
Yes, Chandu.
Okay. Actually, I have a doubt. If I want to visit only live classes, means just I want to buy the whole
It's
course.
a paid training.
Okay, sir. Okay, I have to pay for live classes also.
Yes,
Actually,
correct.
I have already your all documents, but I want to attend live classes, so that's why I'm asking.
It's a paid training.
Okay, okay.
Did you pay for my documents earlier?
Actually, my brother is already joined in your
So it's
training.
a paid training. If you want to attend training, you need to pay for it.
Okay. Thank you.
And I tell you one thing, Chandu, the previous documents which you have and this batch documents are completely different.
Oh, yes.
Okay. In that one, there are upgradation has been.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, Omkar.
Yeah, good morning. So basically, I am a talent developer plus unit tester in the IT company. So basically, at the weekends, I do testing. So while testing, I place some input. So like I place some CSV files in S3 actually. So like why I keep that files in S3? What is the need for that?
Why?
I'm not understanding what didn't understand like why I'm keeping that files in S3, AWS S3 and running a particular job in the talent. So like what's the use of S3 here?
The S3 is a storage service to us, like a Google Drive. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a storage service. Same way we have a S3 service, but here definitely
So like
with more
how
features and more
S3
options.
okay, then how S3 identifies that this is a particular file that this should get run and all?
Depend on the policy which they have written under that.
Okay. So
The
will this course
policy.
help me to understand that all the things which AWS needs?
I don't know what you are doing it, Omkar, so I can't give you that particular thing what you are doing it. Okay, so this courses help you to work on as architect level. I don't know what you are doing it. So definitely it that help you in that particular thing what you are doing. So I can't give the 100% confirmation because I don't know what is your expectations for that. Okay.
Okay.
But yes, definitely it help you to understand what is S3 service or other services, whichever we have it in AWS.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Yes, Akhil.
Hello.
Yes, Akhil.
Yeah, I see that there are some prerequisites needed as per my knowledge. Once I googled it, there are some prerequisites needed like Linux or Python or
No,
scripting.
who
Is it
told
true?
you? Who
Like,
told you? There
like,
is no prerequisite. Let me complete. Okay, there is no prerequisite, but yes, if you have Linux knowledge, it will be good. But if you don't have it, you don't worry about that one. Okay, because whatever we are going to learn in this training, even you can go for that particular Linux also.
Okay, so everything, if any needed, would be covered in. Yes.
Yes, whatever we have, we are going to cover.
Okay, and also like regarding the certification, we go for AWS associate level solution architect. So is it everything would be covered regarding the AWS in this course only? And is it like if I want to upgrade the certification, is this knowledge enough or do I go
No,
for
okay, like
further?
earlier I said that this training will not help you to clear the certification.
Yeah.
Earlier I've told the same thing also. The
Yeah.
reason is for certification, you need theory knowledge, and to work in real time and to clear the interview, you need practical knowledge.
Okay.
And certification will not give you the job. Certification will just give you that got a call from the company, your resume is selected, but it will not provide you the job. Job will get your when you clear the interview.
Yeah, this course would be helpful until I could clear the jobs.
Definitely for jobs, it's going to help you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, so with this, I'm ending this session. Thank you for today's session, guys. In the tomorrow's session, we are going to discuss about how we can create our AWS account and how we can create our service called EC2 service. This is what we are going to discuss in our tomorrow session. Still, if anyone have any question, you can raise your hand if you still have any question. Yes, Krishna. Krishna Sudhir, you have raised your hand. Yes, Farah, you can unmute.
Ankit.
Yes, Keswara.
Yeah, is there any, what is the system configuration to practice this session?
For this one, you need to create an AWS account, and how to create an AWS account, we are going to learn in tomorrow's session.
Okay, I mean, what I'm saying that is there any Windows 10 or Windows more than 7, 8, all will work, right?
No, Windows 7 will not work because for this you need to download some tools also, and that will not work on Windows 7. Okay, but I'm not sure about it will work on Windows 8 or not. I'm not sure about Windows 8, but definitely it will not work on Windows 7.
Okay, so what is the Windows we need to use for this
You
practice?
can use Windows 10. Windows 10 definitely work, but make sure if you are using Windows 10, you are not using Home Edition one. If anyone is using Home Edition 1, some of your tools will not work, which you need to download.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Pratha, you can unmute. Yes,
I just asked the question in the chat box.
okay.
Is it every day a class will be there? Or?
No, we don't have a class on Saturday and Sunday. Only Monday to Friday we have class. Saturday, Sunday, you guys have time, so you can practice that.
Okay.
Okay, if you have any question, you can email me. Yes, Gunwant.
Okay, I just need only one help that since how to access this course since I purchased. So where to go and from I can download this document.
You can't download Gunwant. There is no download option. You have a view access.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, you need to log into our account, whatever the account you have created. After logging it, you will see one option called dashboard here. Right now, I'm not able to see because I didn't log into the account.
Okay.
So when you click on dashboard, first of all, on the right side, you will see here active and archive course. Go to active course, and under active course, you will see your course. But right now in this course, you don't have anything except course content and the image which I have shown you that we have. So I'm going to upload those other things also.
Okay.
Right now, only course content, nothing else. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Akhil.
Hello. Yeah, sorry, sir, to interrupt, but final question, like any day-to-day challenges would be assigned for us, and
definitely yes, not every day, but yes, in few sessions, I'm going to provide some tasks also. And in
Okay.
few tasks, I'm going to share some documents where has some help from my side. Okay, but in few of the tasks, there is no help from my side.
So if we are not able to clear that particular task, would the guidance be provided?
Definitely, you can do that. Don't worry. If you're still not able to, you can email me. I'll guide you in that. But not in this session. I'm going to help you on email. I'll help you.
Okay. And is it anything like a networking would be touched up?
Yes, the service in a service called VPC.
Okay, sir.
So we have. Are you from networking background?
Yes, sir.
Yes, definitely. We are going to cover service called VPC.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Krishna.
Yes. Hi, Angit. So we have AWS and GCP and Azure like for the clouding, right? So which is the best technology to learn? So I can understand like almost all of the same for the scenario side, but which is the technology giving the more job opportunities and more weightage for the career?
Seriously speaking, right now in the market, AWS and Azure are the very biggest competitor we have in the market. Okay. Don't go for GCP.
Okay.
GCP having it very less features, having it very less % of market, just more less than a 6% of market capture they have done. The more market captured by the AWS.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. You can go for anyone or you can go with both also. Whichever you want to go for.
Sure.
Okay.
So for the we can get the complete AWS system, administration, right?
Correct.
With this course. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Yes, Guru Swami. Guru Swami have raised your hand.
Hello.
Yes, Guru Swami.
Yeah, I have 4 years of experience in Linux administration. Present, I am also working in Linux administration. So, which role can suit to in AWS?
You have working as an administrator part.
Yes, Linux administrator.
This course.
Yeah.
This course is going to help you because this course is actually like an associate and admin level both are same. Definitely, this course is going to help because other are sysops or developers we have.
Okay. Okay, certified is there, right? Certification is there. Yeah.
That is different thing. That is not going to help you. If I talk about your previous career, this course is going to help you. Associate level 1, architect associate.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for today's session. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.